Senior 3, Lecture number 13, Hadith number 19. Now we are learning the last topic of our syllabus, that is the temporary world, which is discussed in the Hadith number 19. The translation is very simple, but yet it is very powerful. The world is a believer's prison and the unbeliever's paradise. The two major contrasts are discussed in this Hadith actually, and both in regards to the concept of temporary world. Explanation. This hadith particularly highlights the contrasting attitudes of believers, that they resist the temptations of this world, and on the other hand, unbelievers who consider the present without fear of accountability. It means the believing person, those who believe in their Lord, those knew very well that they will held accountable in the hereafter, they particularly resist the temptations of this world. While what unbeliever used to do, they consider the present as the only living phase, and therefore they do not consider hereafter. But what is the reality of the world? We must know that the world's reality draws our attention towards a major fact. And what is this major fact? That this worldly phase is nothing but a delusion which soon ends at a fixed time. It means the world in which we are placed for a fixed time, it is soon going to end. Every human being is destined to live a short period on this earth, while his deeds will carry him into the eternal world of hell or heaven. It means whatever we are doing here, we will be held accountable in the hereafter, and for those particular deeds, Allah will decide whether we will be given hell or heaven. Although if the provisions which are provided for the earthly beings become all source to fall for, it means the provisions, the world, the nature, the materials, the resources, everything, the technology which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us step by step. This is not particularly something which we are attaining in order to get the peace, but particularly what is our intention? What do we have to do with these provisions? If our intention is to have just lust, then surely we are amongst the receivers of the Allah's wrath. It means if we are considering that this world is the only phase after which we won't be held accountable, then we will be the receivers of the hell. Now, how should a believer needs to perform under this trial situation? Those who follow their Lord and Messenger in all perspectives, they won't go astray. Rather, they will submit their self in front of the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And such vast personalities or the righteous personalities do not look forward to collect worldly living besides the necessities. It means their goal is not to collect the world, but their major is to please the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They considered the world only as a short period, and soon death is the only way to meet their Lord, because whatever they are doing in this world, there is a reason. They want to please their Lord. Therefore, they want to meet Him, and that will be the place where we will be living forever. While the attitudes of the non-believer, they consider this worldly phase as a forever place. They think that no accountability is for them. Also, their main objective is to have the material aims and the interest only. A number of lessons that we learn from this hadith is that Holy Prophet sacrificed everything for the cause of Islam, as the objective was hereafter. In similar way, his wife, his companions, they never make this world as an exclusive aim of their lives. Such teachings pave a way to look beyond and consider the fact of this short phase, which is provided as a test only. Holy Prophet said in a hadith live in this world as if you were a stranger or a wayfarer. It means when a stranger comes in a city, he used to be there for only a short period of time, and therefore he does not carry all kind of his belongings with him. Similar way, a believer must learn that he needs to fulfill only the commands of Allah in order to meet his Lord in the hereafter.